Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Madden NFL 27 game on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Madden NFL 27 game. This is just an example, and then click on properties. Then go to the controller tab. And from the drop down from here, select disable Steam input first and then restart the game. And after restarting the Madden NFL 27 game, check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the Madden NFL 27 game properties, go to controller tab, and this time select enable Steam input and then again restart the game and then check if controller or gamepad is working or not. Next fix is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if the controller or gamepad is working in Madden NFL 27 game or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers. So if you have any kind of third-party game controllers connected to your PC or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controllers, display, mouse, keyboard, might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then launch the game and check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working Madden NFL 27 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.